Pretty sure I made this piece of toast an hour ago. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently sitting in Sydney's room because I need to go through all of her clothes and just organize and remove everything that doesn't fit her. Her drawers behind me are absolutely filled with clothes, who knows, ranging from like last summer, maybe even 12 months, 18 months. And then her closet in there has a bunch of new clothes that some of them I've washed, some of them I haven't. So I need to go through and organize and just gut her closet. I actually went online and I have an order in my cart that I'm gonna place through Gap and Old Navy. But I need to figure out what she already has and what she doesn't have, because I'm such, I'm so bad. Like I just pick things that I like and then I'm like, wait a minute, I don't even have an outfit or a shirt to wear, you know, match those shorts or whatever it may be. So that's why before I place my order, I want to go through and see what she needs, what she has, what she, you know, could use. If you like these types of videos, give this a thumbs up and we will jump into it. I honestly was going, while Sydney was napping, I was like, I am gonna go put on some makeup and feel refreshed and energized, but that didn't happen. So I was like, girl, you don't need to prove anything to anyone or be fake to anyone. So I just slapped on some eyebrows and mascara and called it good. So my face in all of its glory here. Sydney, I've got Sydney's potty in the hallway so that she can just run and go potty. Sydney always loves playing in her room when I get ready for the day and do my makeup. If she's awake, she just has fun tearing her room apart. We have all of her books there and then some toys there that she likes to, you know, just play with. So that's what she is going to be doing while Mama kind of cleans her closet, I guess. So we'll start with Sydney's closet. Honestly, it's a disaster. The bottom half is filled with, you know, random toys and pillows and just, it's just a mess. And then I do have some clothes. I've washed some, and then I haven't washed some that are like more summery, since we are totally not in summer in Maine yet.
How about this one? How about this? How about this one?
Okay.
The pig one.
Okay, sweetie, you can play with that. So I am gonna get to tackling and kind of, you know, just tackling this.
This.
Okay, baby.
I go pee. I go pee.
You gonna go pee?
Okay. I need shirts.
Toilet's right there.
I want to pee at choice.
You can play with all your toys. Bring them out here, please. Okay, like this basket has shoes that I bought her for the summer. So I'm gonna go through and see what she has for shoes.
I want to see what choice.
These aren't toys, honey, they're just shoes. Those are sandals for the summer. So cute, right? You want music? These are also sandals from the summer, for the summer. I hope they fit though. I bought these when Babies R Us was going out of business last year. What size did I get? 6? They're not the cutest. They're a little bit cheesy, but I think they ended up being like $5 because they were like half off. So I think these were like $5 shoes, so that's fine.
I wanna go there someday. I know we're going somewhere into the danger zone.
Anyone else's house look like this while you're trying to clean? You make worse of a mess while you're trying to declutter and organize. Alright, so I just put some of the baby like essentials that we will still use. The nose Frida filters. There's only like, I don't know, a little bit left. And then disposable bibs that were already opened. And the placemats. I mean, I never go out to eat that much, but anyway, this one is unopened, so this will go in this trash bag. I'm gonna use this trash bag for her clothing that doesn't fit and things that I could donate as well.
I'm peeing.
You're peeing? Man, you must have drank a lot of water. Okay, let's go. So So I've actually recently gotten a lot of questions about Sydney potty training and like an update. Good job, baby. I gotta wipe you. And the update is she's doing amazing. She's almost fully potty trained at home, but nighttime, we'll wipe you. She's almost fully potty trained at home, and I say almost because she still has like a couple random accidents, you know, if she's distracted or whatnot. But like when she's sleeping, nap time and nighttime, she wears a pull-up, and then when we're in public, she wears a pull-up. She uses the big potty and her little potty. I just haven't moved her little potty out of my living room yet. I think she would do completely fine. I just have it in my living room for convenience sake. Oh my goodness. Sydney, you used to play with that when you were like little. You were like 7 months old. That was her favorite toy ever. Rice in a bottle. Okay, anyway, now I need to tackle this closet. So I'm gonna take the shoes that I've gotten for Sydney so far. I'm gonna take them out of the box so that I can see what I have, and then line them up in her closet. And then organize, what honey? And then organize this. This is a toy that I bought for her, I don't know, probably a long time ago. And I think I was gonna give it to her for Christmas, but I don't think she's ready for it yet. So I'm gonna hold on to this for a little longer. But yeah, just wipes. I have some camera equipment, picture frames, her sheets that clearly don't fold.
It all points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
When I was tackling Sydney's closet, I went through and got rid of all of the mismatched hangers and the store hangers and whatnot. And then I also went through her clothing that some of them had never been worn before, but they like didn't fit her in the right season per se. So I just got rid of all of those mismatched things first. And then I put all of that in a trash bag that I can donate.
Someday I know we're going somewhere, into the danger zone. It all points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop.
Why'd you just do that? Sydney Elizabeth. This is difficult to do with you. Isn't it, love?
Hey, Mommy.
Thanks, baby. Hey, that's not how we clean. That's not very nice. Can you go pick those up for Mommy, please? You're gonna have to help me use through those. Can you go get those for Mommy, please?
These are jeans.
Thank you.
Oh, how it burns. We barely started on every turn. Keep moving further, and all of my broken bones mend with your love. We never learned.
So that is the bag full of things that do not fit her and things that I may donate. And then this is what her drawers look like right now. I'm just keeping all of her clothes that still sort of fit her for the colder days here in Maine. So some of these are, yes, growing a little bit tight, but I needed to keep some. So I've got some pants, tutus that seem to always fit her. It doesn't really matter what size because she's got a small waist. her poncho from last year, love it, and then pajamas and a fuzzy shirt. Guys, these are so empty. And then some shirts that will still fit her here, and a dress. And then I have a whole load of laundry that I'm doing right now, so I have a bunch of her clothing. But this is why I'm like, she doesn't have that many clothes that fit her right now, because she went through a massive growth spurt in height. So I basically took all of her new clothes that are like 2T, pretty much all of these are 2T or 24 months, and I am going to hang these all up and put them in her closet, so I have one spot to see how much she actually has for clothing for spring and summer, which I feel like is nothing. So that's why I'm placing my order at Gap and Old Navy. And oh my word, I'm out of breath. But yeah, and then I do have to fold a load of laundry, but there's not a whole lot in there anyway. So I know it looks like I buy, or it seems like I'm constantly buying her clothes, but really I'm only buying her a couple things here and there. So I already feel so much better getting rid of all of these clothes every day, digging through clothes, like what fits her, what's good for clothes right now. That makes me feel so much better.
We just keep going until it hurts. We keep it rolling, and all of my broken bones mend with your love. And there you go and give it to me, so you get me feeling like I always should be dancing in your arms. And there I go and let you in, and though I know where we have been, I'm always gonna fall for your tricks. Because you give me tough love, and it's just enough love.
All right, so I have everything that's brand new or for like summertime in here. So I know I don't have it like organized by color, and I do have, you know, random hangers. It's whatever, I'm not that particular. So I have like tops first, there. And then this is a matching set, so I'm gonna keep that together with the pants and that. And then I do have a couple of sets from TJ Maxx. And then this is a short set. Super cute, I can't wait for her to wear these. There. This is gonna be, I think, her Easter outfit. I've already washed this top and it comes with white leggings, so she will wear this, I think, for Easter. It's like a pale pink. So cute. I went this route versus a dress because it's gonna be cold and rainy on Easter, and that's fine. And then I've got rompers, just a couple of rompers. Okay, go pee, baby. Can you make it? And then, yeah, a couple of rompers. This one still looks huge, and I know someone told me to try that on her before I take the tag off, so I'm gonna have to do that, but that one's from Target. And then this one was from Nordstrom Rack. I got that for like $3. I hope that fits her for the summertime because I bought that this winter. And then a couple of dresses, and I have just a pair of shorts, denim shorts from Cat and Jack because those were adorable. And this actually goes with, those actually go with this shirt, so I probably should put those together. And then over here are more of her sweaters. Someone hand knit this for her when she was a baby, and I think it might fit her now. And then some sweatshirts, denim jacket, and a little rain jacket as well. This one is from Target. The denim jacket is from Old Navy. I'm just already feeling so much better with having her shoes kind of lined up here and having her sheets and whatnot folded and that emptied. So these are her Moana letters from her birthday. So I'm just gonna quickly straighten those out. Those are all extra products, and I'm gonna keep her wipes in there. And then I'm going to fill her toy bin with her like sleeping bag and kind of stuffies that she doesn't really need all of them at once, and then put the rest of the toys in these bins here because they were mostly empty. room is put back together. I'm so happy with everything that I got rid of, and I was able to really evaluate what she has for clothes and what she's gonna need. So she's gonna need some more shorts, tank tops, obviously, maybe she definitely needs like water shoes. I think I have a pair of jellies in my car at Gap just to have like jelly shoes, you know. Actually, let me show you. And don't forget to use like a cashback app like EBATES or the Drop app or something where you can get points and money back. I always when I shop online use some form of, you know, getting my points back or money back or something like that. So don't forget about that. I have a special sign up link. If you guys have not signed up for EBATES, I have a special sign up link in my description box below. I think you can get 10 bucks back instantly if you sign up through that. I don't remember. Check my link below. But anyway, so I have some flip-flops that are literally $2.40. A pair of shorts, this cute bathing suit. I thought that was cute. It's a 2-piece, but it totally is gonna cover her. It's not gonna show belly. I'm not really ready for that. And then I just figured a pack of basic tank tops in a bunch of different colors for playing outside and getting dirty, and who cares. This pair of denim shorts for $7.50. And then a couple of tops, tank top, t-shirt, the jellies. Now I don't know if I'm gonna get all of this. This is just what I had in my cart, so I have to reevaluate what I'm actually gonna get probably when she goes to bed. And this bathing suit, I thought it was really cute. It has grapefruits all over it, and then some jersey pull-on shorts. So yeah, I ended up saving like 65 bucks with the coupons, but I have to evaluate what I'm actually gonna get and then see if there's anything else that I want to get her in there. But I think that is a good, you know, I've got some basics and some flip-flops, and I think I'm definitely gonna get at least one of those bathing suits, but I can't really decide. I am exhausted from cleaning. We were up there for over 2 hours. It might have been 2 hours. Anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed today's like organizational video. Not even organizational, but like decluttering. I hope you guys got inspired to maybe declutter some closets of your own. It feels so good, I must say. I know like it doesn't seem like a whole lot, but once you do it, it's very satisfying. So anyway, I will talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.